Like many growing businesses, Jim's company was demanding more and more from their IT department. So Jim was tasked with understanding how they could adopt new technology faster, keep on top of costs, and realise more benefits from their investments. Jim wasn't sure where to start and had plenty of questions about the challenges he faced. So he did the smart thing and got in touch with the software experts at Crayon. Crayon helped Jim understand how cloud technology could help kick off projects faster, scale more easily, and integrate with their existing systems. Jim was excited about the possibilities, but had some new questions around costs, integration, security, and skills. Luckily for Jim, Crayon often hears similar questions. That's why they offer a total cost of ownership assessment, or TCO, to articulate the cloud journey and help build a business case. After all, seeing is believing. The TCO uses real-time data to analyse the current on-premise solution and creates a profile of computing, storage and software usage to understand what the ideal solution looks like. Before making actionable recommendations for software licensing and moving people, businesses and governance to the cloud. This means Jim could quickly compare costs for staying with their on-premise solution compared to moving to the cloud, and he immediately knew which was the more cost-effective and transparent. Jim was able to report the TCO findings back to the business. For the first time, the stakeholders understood more about their workload, infrastructure and performance, and could make an informed decision about their future cloud environment. And that's not all. Crayon even offered Jim a proof of concept funded program, giving him the opportunity to test and become familiar with the public cloud environment. So be like Jim. Do the smart thing and speak to our cloud practice specialist to take the first step on your journey towards cloud transformation.